Hi everyone, I have a tip of the month I wanted to share. I have started using products by Blueland. They make all kinds of things that help us reduce the plastics that we're consuming. So I use them in my dishwasher. I don't use the pods that are covered in plastic. They have these tablets. I use them in my laundry detergent instead of Tide pods. I use these. And then they also have an Oxi Booster for your laundry. And then my latest is the hand soap. They come wrapped in this, the tablet does. You drop it in the bottle, it's their bottle. You fill it up with water, plain water. It fizzes like an Alka-Seltzer. And then you put the top on and you get to use your hand soap. You're not throwing away plastic bottles. You're not using plastic refill things. Anyway, I really think these products work well. I've put them in my ShopMy account, and I hope you find that helpful, and I hope you enjoy using them too.